Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to the next episode of the product series. Today we are going to be looking at Atlas, which is a billing and a pricing platform that is specifically designed for modern tech companies which are dealing with complex pricing models. While the traditional billing systems were built for simple subscription models, Atlas focuses on usage-based billing, credit systems, and a kind of dynamic pricing that the AI companies and the IoT businesses and SaaS platforms are increasingly in need of. Let's start with a bit of a context up here, the modern billing challenge. As tech products become more sophisticated, their pricing models have evolved beyond the simple monthly subscriptions. AI applications might need to charge per API call or credit consumed. IoT devices could bill based on the data usage or the events triggered. SaaS platforms often need hybrid models combining subscriptions with usage based components. The traditional billing systems struggle with these complexities. Many companies end up building their custom billing infrastructure in house, which leads to months of development time and significant engineering resources. Others try to adapt to existing solutions, leading to workarounds and limitations. There is also the challenge of experimentation. Modern tech companies need to iterate quickly on pricing models based on customer feedback and market response. But most billing systems require extensive development work for even small changes. And this brings us to Atlas. Atlas positions itself as a no-code billing platform designed specifically for modern pricing models. The platform allows the companies to configure complex billing scenarios without writing code, supporting usage-based billing, credit systems, tiered pricing, and hybrid models. The system integrates with existing tech stack, connecting to tools like Stripe for payments, Salesforce for CRM, and various analytical platforms. According to the company, businesses can launch their billing infrastructure in days rather than in months. Atlas also offers several key features like automated usage tracking and charging, flexible credit systems with rollover rules, real-time usage dashboards for customers, and analytics to track which features drive the most revenue. The platform also provides some pre-built pricing widgets and customer portals that can be dropped into existing applications. Beyond the tech platform, Atlas also offers consulting services for pricing strategy, claiming to deliver pricing recommendations in 2 weeks compared to traditional consulting firms that might take months and cost significantly more. Let's try and understand as to how it works. The platform uses what they call a no-code interface, allowing business users to configure pricing models without developer involvement. You can set up pricing model rules based on various metrics like API calls, data processed, or custom events. For the usage-based billing, Atlas tracks consumption in real time and applies the appropriate charges. The system can handle complex scenarios like minimum commitments, usage caps, credit rollovers, and automatic top-ups. The platform also includes experimentation capabilities, allowing the companies to test different pricing models and see the results immediately. Changes to pricing can be deployed without code updates, which Atlas claims enables faster iteration cycles. So, what are the target use cases and the industries? Atlas appears to focus heavily on AI companies, particularly those building AI agents or applications that need credit-based billing. They offer specific solutions for tracking AI usage metrics and billing based on outcomes or consumption. IoT companies represent another key market, wherein billing might be based on device usage, data volume, or specific events. The platform can handle the complex real-time data requirements that IoT billing often involves. The company also targets the general SaaS businesses that have outgrown simple subscription models and need more sophisticated billing capabilities. This includes companies with multiple products that need unified invoicing or businesses experimenting with the premium models. According to the user testimonials on their website, some users report launching billing systems in under a week and generating revenue quickly, though these are selected testimonials rather than comprehensive data. Let's now understand the competitive landscape and positioning. Atlas positions itself as an alternative to more complex developer-friendly billing platforms like ORP. They emphasize their no-code approach as a key differentiator, claiming faster implementation times and less reliance on engineering resources. The company also competes with traditional billing solutions and payment processors, though they focus mainly on modern pricing models that these legacy systems may not be able to handle well. The consulting that they offer appears to be designed to compete with traditional pricing consultancies, offering faster turnaround time and lower costs, though the depth and quality of these services compared to the established firms would need individual evaluation. Let's now talk about the current limitations and considerations. As a specialized platform, Atlas may be an overkill for companies with simple subscription models that work well with the traditional solutions. The complexity that they solve might not be relevant for all the businesses. The no-code approach, while potentially faster for some scenarios, might lack the customization capabilities that larger enterprises require for their specific billing logic. Since Atlas is a relatively new player in the billing space, they may lack some of the enterprise features, compliance certifications, or integration capabilities that established billing platforms offer. The pricing and availability of their services aren't clearly detailed in public information, which makes it difficult to evaluate the total cost of ownership compared to the alternatives. Let's now look at the business model and accessibility. Atlas appears to operate on a subscription model, though specific pricing details weren't readily available in the current information. They mention different tiers of services and custom enterprise contracts. The platform claims to be SOC 2 compliant, which addresses some of the basic security and compliance requirements for handling the billing data. They offer integration with major payment processors like Stripe, which means that companies can leverage existing payment infrastructure while adding Atlas's billing logic on the top. Looking ahead, we can say that Atlas is operating in a growing market as more companies adopt usage-based and hybrid pricing models. The trend towards AI applications and IoT devices suggests increasing demand for sophisticated billing capabilities. However, they're also competing in a space with well-established players and increasing competition as traditional billing companies add more flexibility features to their platforms. The success of their approach will likely depend on the ability to deliver on the promise of faster implementation while maintaining the reliability and feature depth that growing companies need. In closing, we can say that Atlas represents a modern approach to billing infrastructure, particularly for the companies dealing with usage-based or credit-based pricing models. Whether it makes sense for your business depends on the complexity of your pricing needs and how much of engineering time you're willing to invest in billing infrastructure. If you are building AI applications, IoT products, or other tech solutions that don't fit the traditional subscription models, Atlas might be worth evaluating. As with any billing platform, thorough testing with your specific use cases would be essential before making the commitment. That's all that we have for you in this episode of the product series. Hope you're enjoying the series. Do stay tuned in for the next episode.